What's up, everybody? Well, I guess I should give people time to roll in. I guess I gotta make the post. I was trying to go live on 3 different platforms, but I don't have the membership to do that, and I didn't bother to check till right now. Like a dodo bird. So I need to go on YouTube and copy and paste the link. We've got the market open. Oh, are we about to fill the gap? Yeah, I like that one better. Nope, that's not what I want to do. Okay, yeah, that's not bad. Looks like we might fill the gap today. We are like 6 points away from filling it. Full bullish alignment. Yeah, let me copy paste. Oh, I don't want to do that. And honestly, I'm about to just go mark them up the all-time high my fucking self. Oh, that's working. Okay, cool. Sometimes it don't be working. Alright, that. See, it's saying it's 76.29 and it's not. I'm gonna have to tell Austin. Bro, what's up, Antoine? Is your indicator off for the all-time? You may not have it. Never mind. My indicator is off for the all-time high, and it's so annoying. Glad to have you here, though, brother. Let's make some money on the double break today, shall we? Yes, I need to go mark the all-time high. Mm. An error occurred on YouTube. It won't let me comment. Why? Let me see if I can comment on my own. This streaming stuff be complicated, man. Are there any other zones? I guess I could mark this one up. How big is this range? 64. So 10 points. Okay, yeah, that's a good range. So just in case you're wondering, my boy, I pretty much just find wick fills candle wicks that haven't been filled yet. I call them wick fill zones. And as you can see, price loves going to them. And it's a sign to me when they haven't that the market A still needs to go there, or B, the market has no intent at all to go there. So like when we didn't get back down here, we had this huge bullish candle. That's a big sign that we don't want to keep going down here to me. And then we held support at this zone. So 74 is the new level of support. Buyers are not invalid until we're below there, in my opinion, or the gap. So that's just kind of how I read the market on a high time frame level. All right, the gap has been filled. Oh yeah, I was gonna see if I could comment. ES and NQ moving so different right now. Okay, so let me comment from my phone. Okay, I guess it was just glitching out. Weird. What time is it? 9:38. No double break yet. And we have full bullish alignment, and the VWAPs are pretty spaced. So we're probably gonna have some volume today. Good space between VWAPs. Full bullish alignment. And for anybody watching, it's definitely important that you mark up text on the screen. It keeps your head in the game, and it builds up good discipline for journaling. So we are going to be copy trading 2 accounts today. This account is at 38.43, and oops. And dang it. This account is at 38.14. So both my 3,800 accounts are what I'm trying to get over the line today if I can. I'm gonna try to pass them if I can, to be real. So definitely going between 2 and 3 minis on the double break. Got 5 minutes until the opening range sets. How big is the range so far? 11 to 25. That's a 14-point opening range. That's not bad. It's a lot better than 40. That's for sure. And honestly, if the double break long sets up, that'd be fire. Let me pull up Forex Factory real quick. Today's Wednesday. Greater than is good for currency. And it came out less. Same for, yeah, both of these, yeah. We are above daily VWAP. Yeah, I prefer the double break long today. That's why I'm saying if we get the double break long, I'm gonna go very heavy. Like even if it loses, like I'll be okay. Like it is what it is. But if I can get the double break long and the full bullish alignment like this, like especially off of, like you said, the overnight, we're above the value area high. The weekly is right here. It would, in my opinion, be a sweep of the previous day's high. Because honestly, I'm going to get in early. I'm excited. This is, I love this trade. Nah, actually, last time I got in early, well, it was like this, but it was reversed because it was a short. How many points is it going to be? So 9-point stop for 7-point. Yeah, that's about probably 3 minis. It's looking like 3 mini day. Anyways, so chairman, whoever that is, speaks at 10 o'clock. That's probably not good. That means price is going to be wonky. Thursday's chill. And Friday's chill. Maybe I shouldn't go too heavy today. I don't know. Maybe I'll just stick to 2 minis. Got 38 seconds on this candle. I'll look at NQ really, really fast. Just see what's going on. Ew, NQ does not look good. NQ looks like doo-doo. You see the difference in the alignment in the VWAPs? In the overnight or in the New York in the previous day were pinching? Nah. I stopped copying ASFX trades. I mean, yeah, you gotta figure out what, works for you. For sure. Alright, so the opening range is set. And it's still 15 points, so yeah. Yeah, bro, if you've done it once, you can do it again. That's what I told myself, bro. You remember I talked to you about that. And as soon as I started doing my own, and not even my own thing, but just listening to my own thoughts, like what is my brain telling me to do? That's when I started making progress because it was easier for me to learn from my mistakes. Keyword my mistakes, not Evan's, not Austin's, because they don't need to necessarily trade as well as we do. We're still trying to make it. They already made it. So I like buys if we can bounce and hold for sure. Really hope sellers don't step in out of nowhere since we just pretty much swept the gap close. Swept the gap fill. If I was a savage, I would just throw on a long right there. Stop below the previous value very high. That dude does speak at 10 o'clock. Should we stay out of the market unless the double? If the double break performs, I'm definitely gonna go because since the market keeps dropping, that's making me have a bigger risk to reward ratio. So I fuck with that. So I'm just gonna use this candle as my base. I don't need to put it under these extra levels of confluence since we've already came down and retested them. If we get back above the VWAP, I wouldn't want to see it come back down here, even though it could. But I just don't want to subject myself to that extra risk because I want to go heavy. Ooh. I wonder if there's anything on financial juice. Nope. I wonder how long we're going to have to wait today. Did you take any other trades in Asia or pre-market today? Did you take any other trades today for pre-market or in Asia last night? I really want to see the buyer step back in, man. Let's go, bro. We're on the same journey then. I went to the gym last night and I didn't want to go to the gym. I was sore and tired. I took a nap because I partied the day before for my homegirl's birthday and had a busy work day. I was like, man, I just want to keep sleeping, but I had to get up and go. I'm glad I did because I got to talk to some homies and then hopped on my favorite game last night with some other friends I haven't talked to in like 10 years, which is crazy. If I post my trades every day, that'll make me exactly, bro. And just keep showing up with me, man. I'm showing up accountable every day. You see, I'm trying to change my life. So we all have to hold each other accountable as well. That's why I like the BSC. Like once I joined the BSC, I finally got around a group of individuals that were confident and disciplined and consistent. And now I'm doing the same things that they do, which is journaling, showing up every day, being consistent, following rules, sticking to a plan. Bro, yes, bro. I can't wait. I was saying I need to get my passport. So yeah, bro, when I get my passport, I'm definitely going to France. I'm hoping this year, bro. Shoot, if I can pass four of my if I pass these four accounts, bro, these are 100Ks, bro. So like I start taking, between like $2,000 and $4,000 payouts. Like that's the goal. Just like Zarb. Yeah, I'll have a good time for sure. Oh, here we go. Here's the buyer stepping in. Here we go. Here we go. I bet you will be able to take this trade in like 10 minutes. Oh, I'm so excited. I can feel it in my bones. Yeah, keep bringing that view up down. Hell yeah. Hmm. So it closed on the weekly. So that's what this yellow orange line is right here. This is the weekly open. I look at the weekly open, the daily open, and the monthly open. They're just important levels that the market pings off of. I'm not even going to say it's a magnet. It's an important level. You can use it as a good take profit level. Or, yeah, I'd say take profit or like use it to widen your stop loss. I wouldn't really use it to enter off of the daily. I use it as a confluence. That would be an A+ setup in my opinion. I would talk about. Yep. Yep. That's exactly the double break, bro. That's exactly the double break. I just didn't raise it up here. Oh hell yeah! Look at this candle, bro. Say if the previous day's high wasn't right there, I would enter. I would honestly enter it here, but since this is an extra level, I'm not gonna take the early entry. Otherwise, I would based off of the gap, and we're closing strong above the weekly. Your weekly is the same as the daily VWAP. Nice. Yeah, and the weekly is right with the overnight VWAP. So once the overnight VWAP gets above the weekly candle open, I mean that's an even bigger confluence for the. Okay, let me see if I can pass this. How much money do I need? I need 2,200. No, I can't pass this today. I'll just stick to 2 minis. I'm not gonna go crazy. If I do, I'll take another trade to try to pass it. Five more minutes on this 15-minute candle. Pretty ugly close. It's looking like it's gonna be. I mean, yeah, that was a pretty ugly 930 candle. Sheesh. Okay, so we're getting back into the opening range. So hopefully it just doesn't freaking take off without us, bro. Yes, too many. Okay, just waiting for the close above the VWAP. That is the most important thing. Being patient, waiting for the actual close. Especially with the previous day high being right there. We could chop around for a little bit as well. I don't know where I want to put my stop loss. That's what I'm thinking is do I need to have a wide stop loss for this trade? Is it safe below at 10 points? I don't know. Maybe 07 to 05. I don't know. Strong close I buy. Yeah, that's what I'm waiting for. Yep. Same page, brother, man. Same page. Looks like we're gonna get it if this goes. I like it. I like it. I like it. Go, go, go. Yep, we closed above. I'm in. Let's see. What is an 05 stop loss? All right, we're gonna risk $1,300. 13-point stop loss. I entered like pretty much like right there. Target will be and what? Oh, 7,675. Perfect. Yeah, that's a perfect trade. So 76.20. Let's see what 76.25 is. Let's see what that is. I'll take another $1,100. That's cool. It's not bad. So, I mean, the double break has been winning pretty consistently. So, I mean, if we take a loss today, I mean, not going to be surprised, you know? All win streaks do come to an end. but I trust the strategy, man. I've seen this thing win 5 days in a row before, so I think I have a good stop loss, so yeah, that'll be my trade. And now we play the waiting game. It's 10 a.m., so that guy's starting to talk, so we could get some crazy volume. And the only reason I'm not targeting the top of the opening range is because obviously the gap is just a point or two below it. So I can see us pinging that or just being right by it and then maybe not fully taking it. I don't know. I mean, we probably could, but being close to being close to passing the accounts, I kind of just want winning trades over 1,000. Oh, I didn't even mark up my. Oops, I didn't even mark up the text. And did my copier work? The copier did work. Let's go. Cool. And now we just wait. And then I'll also be live streaming today at 2 o'clock. I will be not hosting. I will be guest appearing on Luna Trades live stream at 2 o'clock on his YouTube channel. So this probably will be. No, I mean, honestly, I'll stream till 11. I need to practice streaming longer. I don't know. Depends on this market. It's the first day that I remember in a couple days that we're trading outside of the value areas. So definitely going to take a lot of buyer strength to take this thing up. Are you in a trade right now? Nice. Nice. We could be in this one for a while. I don't know why I closed my Discord. Oh, here we go. Iran called a while ago. They want to make a deal. Let's go. What time? Wait, what time? That was 9:56 that came out? No, 10:02. Yeah, so hopefully we get some longs coming in on that news. I didn't read the other stuff. We're not let higher oil prices become persistent inflation. Let's go. Are we gonna hit the double break, take profit? Close. Honestly, like that's not even a bad that like even like exiting at 23, like honestly, like that's not a bad exit, bro. Like for just all the news and stuff going on, like we're in a gap. Sometimes it is better to just take your money and run. I'm still holding two. Yeah, I'm pretty sure Luna took profit. Looks like. Yeah, it's a good level to take profit. I like it, especially just because it is a big candle, and these other two were wiki. I hope this thing don't come back down. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of ready to get out of the trade. Like not here, but like next time we get up near TP, I'm kind of ready to get out of the trade. Yeah, but with Trump talking about like Iran and stuff, like even though it was good news, like I don't know. I just get nervous. I don't like trading the news. I'm gonna try to sit on my hands as long as possible, but that's a good 15-minute close or 15-minute candle. Yeah, bro. I kind of wish I would have taken that money. I'm probably gonna, if we do come back up there, like I'm probably gonna manual exit between 23 and 25. Nice, bro. Nice. You can always get back in. The double break is still in play until we go back to either side of the range. This candle's gonna come back down. Hopefully the next 15 minutes starts off bullish. Hmm. That's good, Anthony. Y'all good, my boy. Oh man. See, we sat through all of that just to pretty much go back to, if I was paying attention, I was looking at my actual trade, I would have probably taken that. Oh, that blows. Sat through that whole 15-minute candle just for it to go all the way back down. And it's crazy because it's after the news on the Iran stuff coming out. I don't know what's going on with my mouse. Are you gonna do any trading this morning since you got work, Anthony? I'm currently in my trade right now. We were 1.5 points from take profit. I'm trying to let my trade run as long as possible, but I like everything in me is screaming to get out, and I don't want to. Oh, is it gonna hit? Am I in? Am I out? Oh my god, look at that. It literally tagged it. What? It literally tagged it. Talk about getting edged, bro. Oh, let's go. Holy crap. Oh my, yo, I would have freaked out if that thing came down. Yo, let's go. GG's. Heck yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Full TP hit. Let's go. Look at that strength, bro. Got some iron balls on me now. Let's go. Dang, that was crazy. It literally tapped it. Let me make sure it exited me on my other account. Leader one, follower one. Hell yeah. Let's go, dude. We're 1,050 away from passing 2 more accounts, bro. All my accounts are within $1,500, bro. Let's go. Let's go, dude. I'm kind of glad I didn't go 3 minis on the trade because I don't know if I would have been able to handle just the patience of it because I guess I'm feeling how I'm feeling right now, which obviously I wanted to pull the trade. So I'm glad I stuck with 2 minis because I know I was at least comfortable with that. Let's fucking go. Dude, let's go, man. This could be a life-changing week, man. If the double break goes 5 for 5, could pass I could pass an account. I could pass all 4 of my accounts, honestly, this week. So that's awesome. Yeah, bro, go enjoy your Siggy. I'm gonna just watch and see if the range actually does complete to the other side. Yep, looks like it's about to. Let's go. Let me take a video for that. Instagram post that you hit some profits and I hit my profits. Oh, it didn't actually tag the range. See, that's why it's good to have your TP just a little lower. I probably will go to it, but I like to just get exited without the anxiety. Yeah, see, look at that. If for everybody holding that full TP, which I've done multiple times. I'm not saying that is wrong, but we have a level right here, which is a major thing, a gap, right? That is the smartest level you could possibly target. Obviously, it could have blown through, but if you want to guarantee your money, even a little bit below the gap fill, I'm fine with, because big old candle like that can come in out of nowhere. Talks between the U.S., Israel, and Lebanon have concluded after a 2-day fruitful and positive discussion in Rome. That comes out at 10:19 and the market's dumping. What the fuck? That's crazy. Anyways, so we got the chat making money, and we got myself making money copy trading. Another $2,000 across accounts. Dang it, I was showing the wrong accounts. Got to redo the video like a dork. All right, follower one and leader one. Okay. We got the chat making money. Let's go. The double break pays again. Copy trading. We are one trade away from getting past. We got the chat making money. Let's go. Double break pays again. Copy trading. We are one trade away. Look at that, dude. Look at that exit, bro. So like I'm saying, the double break is still in play. So if we really did want to add in here, but with all the news and stuff, I'm good. We are one trade away from getting past. We got the chat making money. Let's go. Double break pays again. Copy trading. But I'm not looking to get back into the market with all this stuff coming out. It's too much. Oh man, I'm freaking killing it, man. This is a good week. This is a good week. These are the rewards of having a good strategy and being able to stick to it. Because for sure, I could have folded. I wanted to fold multiple times. I'm glad I didn't. I would have walked away with probably 500, 800 instead of 1,100. Look at that, 77% win rate for the double break since June 10th. 77%. That's why I'm telling you, Antoine, to trade the double break. And Anthony, that's why I'm telling you, if you want to learn a strategy, learn the double break. Now, it could definitely stop working at any point in time, but until it's broke, don't fix it. That's what they say, right? God damn. So much for positive talks. Jesus Christ. What you mean my video hasn't finished uploading? Dude, I am so glad that I had the take profit that I had where I did. I mean, look at that. It's about to hit stop loss. What time did I enter that trade? 9:57. That's a good time. The 9:57. Look at that, dude. 9:57 is a good time. 9:57. 9:57. 9:50, 10 o'clock, 10:02, 9:50, 9:50. Yeah, so with that coming in, I'm good. I'm gonna take my money and run. My video post. Cool. Yeah. I know I said I was gonna trade till whenever, 11 o'clock. Anthony or Antoine, I don't know who's still left in the chat. Do you guys have any questions for me? Any markups that you want me to go over? If you drop them in the chat, I can, like, if you drop the link through TradingView, hit copy link, I can pull it up. If you have any markups you want me to go over. But for right now, the only thing I see are, I wouldn't go short, honestly. These sellers could be coming in to wipe out everybody going long on the news tweet. So this could be wiping out a whole bunch of take profit orders, especially for everybody that was holding for the top of the range. We could even go retest the value area high or come back down here with this crazy ass market. So we filled the gap. So it's really a fair game now for where the market wants to go. People are the double breaks back. It never left. The double break never left. Oh yeah, man. So I'm stoked on today. I mean, I'm done. I don't necessarily want to take longs again. I mean, I guess I could. I mean, I closed my browser though. Like, like, if all I gotta do is keep taking the double break to pass my accounts this week, why would I not just do that, right? Like, do I really want to give back money? I don't. If I lose today, I don't want to lose on any four of those accounts. And I don't want to trade my funded because I'm going on live stream at 2 o'clock. Man, I probably could catch these longs right here. I already closed my browser. I don't think I'm upset if I stay out of the market. What am I gonna lose? Like, so what? Monday I called out good trades that I didn't take. I know if I need to catch moves, I can, and I don't need to catch moves right now. So it's probably wise for me to just walk away. So again, any markups you want me to go over? Any questions while you're here to pick my brain? Yeah, longs are looking good, chat. But the market looks like dog doo-doo. Nah, I'm good. I'm honestly, chat, I'm gonna end the stream. Looks like there's no more questions for me. That's the beauty of being done and or being done. That's the beauty of having a strategy that presents every day and you know you don't need to sit around for hours to trade. The double break is my most profitable strategy. I know I could be getting the break and retest of these VWAPs right now. All the support, I see it. But I don't want to deal with the anxiety from Trump too much. Like nothing is guaranteed. The only reason I think the double break's guaranteed is because I had the stats I just showed 77% win rate. So I will be live on YouTube again tomorrow with Chase. If you want to do some afternoon trading with me and Luna, I will be posting his YouTube channel on my Instagram and the link to our live. So, yeah, good hour with the boys. Antoine made money. I made money. It's time to go enjoy our morning. I have the Black Shirt Club call at 1, and then I'm streaming at 2. So I'm going to enjoy this time to reset, get some food in me, and go about my morning. So you guys have a great day.